Good morning, friends. My name is Sanket Rokde. I am from fourth final year B Pharmacy, and I am here to represent my topic, Covishield, a novel drug to prevent coronavirus. So, what does Covin do? So, basically, Covin is a website through which you can register for the Covishield and Covaxin yeah, injectables, which prevents coronaviruses. So, what does Covin do? In late 2020, the government of India initiated preparations for one of the world's largest vaccination programs at an accelerated places with the objective to reduce vaccine preventable deaths, which I have explained earlier. That the government of India has established one website in the name of Covin, and that website help us to register uh, uh, Covishield and Covaxin injectables. After that, history of the coronavirus. So, in the history of the coronavirus, experts says that coronavirus has been rise from the bats, and due to and in China, people used to eat those bats, and they don't know about the coronavirus, and due to that, it is originated from the China, and after that we can see that how the coronavirus evaluated, or we can say coronavirus evolution. Scientists first identify a human coronavirus in 1965. So we can say that scientists already knew about coronavirus, but they at that time they won't find that it must be harmful to the human beings. After that, in 2018, the first coronavirus reported in China, and after that, it has been spread all over the world. So how we can diagnose coronavirus? So there are few tests. First is blood test, second is RT-PCR, third is rapid antigen test, fourth is CT scan, fifth is X-ray, and sixth is sputum test. The most common test we use in coronavirus is RT-PCR, and I will explain about RT-PCR. That is reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. Most take to change for current coronavirus infection. It states about it in this test. The DNA and RNA samples are taken out, and by the help of that chain reactions, we can identify the coronavirus, if the human being is suffering from coronavirus or not. So, what are the treatment against coronavirus? So, first of all, I must have to clear that there is no treatment against coronavirus. We can only prevent coronavirus by taking some injectables that we have that I said earlier, that is Covishield, and I will explain about Covishield. But first of all, I will like to share some of the basic treatment which people use during coronavirus treatment. First is erythromycin, second is remdesivir injection. This injection in last 2019 and 2020, this injection has been used, and out of stock it was the large demand in the market. After that, so my main topic, Covishield. Covishield is an invention of research at Oxford University, which is present in Pune, and pharma company AstraZeneca in UK. It contains the weakened strain of enterovirus that closely resembles the genetic constitution of the SARS strains of coronavirus. When given to people by the bloodstream, it does not result in any infection, but induce the immune system to produce antibodies to tackle the coronavirus strain and countering it post being vaccinated. Okay, after that I will state some uses of Covishield. There are only one use, prevention of coronavirus disease. What are the benefits if prevention of coronavirus disease? So benefits that when we take, as we all know that coronavirus is a harmful and it will lead to that. It prevents coronavirus, and what are the side effects for this injection? First is headache, nausea, vomiting, muscle pain, joint pain, fatigue, feeling of discomfort, fever, chills, flu-like symptoms. After that, safety devices, alcohol, pregnancy, breastfeeding, driving, kidney, liver. So in the pregnancy, it is prescribed by the doctor. In driving, it is safe, and in kidney, we should consult our doctor before taking that. And in liver cases, in that cases also we should consult our doctor. And what if we forget to Covishield for injection? If we forget to if you miss a dose of Covishield vaccine, please consult your doctor. And there is no substitute against the uh, Covishield, only against, but there is one injectable called as Covaxin. So thank you.